If you have been following up our videos, we have been blasting the forex market back to back, and we are not just talking about 20 pip profit. Some trades are going 100 pip and above, 200 pip, 300 pips, and I'm going to show you all these things. If you're new to the channel, my name is David Wekulo from Weldds Asset Limited, and I am the person that developed the Weldds terminal. All the trade ideas we have been sharing came from the terminal, and I tell you people that the Weldds terminal is the best analytic software that is currently available for retail traders that handles the hard part of trading, which is the fundamentals. It analyzes macroeconomic data, rate all the currencies, and make trade recommendations. And today I want to quickly do a review of the trades we took, and I will show you what you can do concerning the next trade. If you look at this first area, this is what is happening in the market right now. So if I go to my chart, Australian dollar is pushing as I am talking to you right now. The euro is trying to do well also, and the New Zealand. But this is not what gives us the trade idea. This is what is telling us what is happening in the market right now. If you come here, you see the macroeconomic strength, and the macroeconomic strength does not change overnight. Sometimes it takes more, sometimes it takes weeks for it to change. Okay, so that is why you can comfortably take a trade and hold it for a long time, and you will keep riding in that profit. Now, if you look at this other side, you see top 10 trades, the recommended trades that you can take. Okay, and here you have USDJPY. If you look at this side, you see this is divergence. The higher the divergence, it is going to move faster than the other ones. So the top pick for this period have been the USDJPY, British Pound JPY, AUDJPY. We also took EURJPY and other Japanese yen pairs. For the US dollar pairs, they have been reacting mainly to sentiment this period. Okay, so let's quickly go to the chart. Look at AUDJPY. This is the last trade we took. If you watch the previous videos, I picked Fibonacci retracement from this level to this point. I asked you to wait to execute the trade at the 61.8 Fibonacci level. When this small movement started, I told you don't follow this one because it has not yet broken the 61.8 Fibonacci level. And then when the wick opened, there was a gap that actually triggered that pending order. It started going in profit, and since that time has kept on pushing. If you use the ruler and you measure from where we executed the trade to where the trade is currently, that is over 300 pips alone on this single trade in 1 week. Isn't that amazing? Now, where is this trade going next? This is something that is very important that you have to pay attention. If you know where it is going next, you will know how to position yourself, and the next movement of this trade can be more than 1,000 pips. Okay, so if you come here to the daily time frame, let's go higher time frame and see where this trade is going. I told you that what we are doing here, we should keep the trades running until they hit this point. It has clearly hit that point, and we are about to experience a decision time. If this weekly candle pushes above here and then closes, it might not even close this week because this is already Friday. Okay, but maybe next week, if anything happens and it closes above that point, then you will know that the next movement has begun. For now, there is no trade entry. It is time for us to pause and wait and evaluate. Okay, so if you go to the monthly time frame, what is likely going to happen? I've already marked a higher target there. Okay, but let me show you why I picked that target. This is the next reference point. Although if you check here from around 1997 here, the last time the market came to this place was 1990. That is many years ago, because this is monthly time frame we are talking about. Then from this 1990, we have not reached that point yet. The market always hit around here and drop. Okay, but based on the weakness of the Japanese yen and the strength of the Australian dollar, I think we might start seeing a push towards this 1990 area. Okay, so this is it's going to be a great time for traders. Okay, so when you come to the weekly, we are only waiting for it to close above that level and retest that ground. If that happens, forget it. You are going to look for a way to target more than 1,371 pips, and this can happen this year. I am watching. Keep focus on this channel. I'm going to tell you when it is set, and once that happens, just like what I told people in the community, when this happened, I told them forget it, we are coming to this level. The next place is there, more than 1,000 pips. Okay, so that is one trade that you should keep your mind. For now, we have taken the profit, and it is time to wait for the next line of action. Okay, so that is for AUDJPY. If you come back to the terminal, you see GBPJPY. Let's look at GBPJPY. Yeah, you can see GBPJPY is doing well. There is another level here that I marked for GBPJPY. This is weekly time frame. Okay, but let's go and see the last trade we took. How is it performing? If you come to the daily time frame and you zoom this out, let me show you what that trade has done. If you are not in my WhatsApp community, maybe you did not see this trade, but let me go there and show you that I shared this trade in the community. This is our WhatsApp channel. I shared this trade idea. Yes, this is it. You can see exactly when I shared this trade. Yes, the trade started from here. I told people from this level we should execute the trade. This was where we are looking to execute the trade. Okay, so that trade is there. It was on the 16th of January 2026. I gave that trade setup, GBPJPY. I told people to buy by instant execution. I gave the stop loss. I gave take profit 1, take profit 2, and take profit 3. For people that have $1,000, I told them to use only 0.02 on that trade. Okay, and you can see the trade is there. So let's look at how it has performed. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days kept going, and it has pushed to this first level. Okay, so this trade has done well. For now, let's look at where we can go next. It is in a very, very good decisive level. Okay, what we are seeing is a critical point, but I would like this trade, once it break here and retest, man, there will be a big ride, and the next target, I think I have already marked a level, will be here. And if you calculate from this point down to our next zone, you are looking at 1,190 something pip. And from what I'm seeing, this is going to happen next week. Watch for trade to break above this level and retest around 214.423. And once that happens, bro, we will be well positioned to keep on riding again, and that is going to be a smooth ride. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Quickly click the subscribe button and be a part of the community. I've shown you the Weldds WhatsApp channel. You can also join that channel. Okay, and I want, before we look at the other trading pair, I want to tell you that we are still open for our account management service. If you have a trading account that is from $1,000 and above, $1,000, $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, $50,000, $100,000, and you are looking for somebody that is competent to manage that account for you, the Weldds team can handle it. We are not taking your money. We are not recommending any broker for you. If you want our suggestion, we can suggest, but you open your account with any broker of your choice, you fund your money, you tell us how much risk you want to take on that account, and then we begin to trade. We only place trades for you. Okay, at the end of the day, whatever amount of profit we generate on your account, we share in the profit. There are terms and conditions. You sign some documents to give us the right to execute trade for you, and we begin to do it. It's going to be a smooth business ride. Okay, if you want to do this, check the description of the video for our direct WhatsApp link. Chat us on WhatsApp. You can also get that link on the pinned comment. Make sure you are chatting me directly from the pinned comment or from the description of the video. That WhatsApp number must be in the pinned comment and in the description of the video. That is the only valid way that you can be sure that you are chatting us direct. If you chat using any other number, you might be chatting the wrong persons. Okay, so I just want to make that clear to you. Now, the next trade that we should pay attention is USDJPY. This particular trade is set. Now, if you go to the weekly time frame, you can see our next target is here. For USDJPY, we are going to 160.674. So that is our immediate target. And let us calculate how many pip we have from where we are right now to that point. That is still around 200 pip in view. Okay, so having said that, if you come to the daily time frame, this trade has broken out of this zone, tested, and the current movement I expect it to get to here. So, and if you check the channel, I think I also gave this trade. Yes, gave this trade. Now, the last one we took was around this level. The one I gave as a pending order did not trigger, but I'm still asking you guys to keep the pending order there. Okay, so this is the trade idea. I gave you this trade. I told you the buy, take profit, the stop loss, and all that. Okay, so you can follow along. But for people that executed it when we did that old execution, there is no need for you to exit the trade. Profit target is still very far away. Okay, remember we started taking this trade somewhere here. We already have trades that are still in profit, and we are only adding and building up. Why we were so confident to keep adding is because the time I recommend USDJPY as the king, the trade that we should focus on. So the top three here have been the GBPJPY, USDJPY, and AUDJPY. They have been awesome. So those are the top 3 trades, and they've been doing amazing. For the other trades that are lower in divergence, sometimes you see that the trades might misbehave, or they would be in a range. Okay, so sometimes I just avoid taking the ones with lower divergence, concentrate on the ones higher divergence. If you missed our previous videos, you can watch them. Watching these videos, even if you are a new trader, will help you to know the right way to approach the market, and it is going to be very profitable for you. If you want us to do the business of trading, get in touch with us today. See you in the next video.